I had somebody else who wanted to give a testimonial today, so I bring her up. Donna wanted to come on and give a testimony. So Donna, are you there? Did you want to give a testimony
Yes.
about your results and how is it going with Twin Turbo TRX?
Okay, great. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. I'm really excited first and foremost, but I tell you, Brittany and Troy, it's a hard act to follow. Very hard act to follow. Oh my gosh. But your testimony is very powerful, very encouraging, and inspiring to so many. I'm excited. First and foremost, I've been in the industry for over 20 years. And I can honestly say, for the first time, integrity, transparency, you've done everything you said you're going to do, Twin Turbo. And I mean, you launched flawlessly. It's been phenomenal. The team has been great. I've shared with people who had very major concerns because of other opportunities that they were a part of actually flopped. And so when I came to them, they're like, no, Donna, not this time. Been there, done that. And I kept saying, okay, I said, you don't have to believe me. I said, but just hold on to my coattail and just get some of my belief. Just hang on to my belief. And they said, I don't know, Donna, I don't know. I said, well, listen, I'm not going to beg you. I'm going to share with you, but you're going to remember this. You're going to remember this conversation. So they started to watch over the last 3 weeks. And they said, how's it going? You made any money? I said, I'm in the comma club. They said, comma club? Oh, so you got to check with the comma? I said, yes, I do have to check with the comma. They said, oh, okay, well, maybe it is real. I said, listen, let me tell you something. You can either participate, you can either sit back and watch. Regardless, I'm going to make it. We're going to do it. And I said, the numbers, I said, think about it. Twin Turbo is not on trial. And they said, well, I guess I'm starting to see now. I said, well, listen, you can either swim with us in the 5% pool or not. And so this week, finally, they're starting to come out. They're like, yeah, I think I'm going to do that thing with you. I said, listen, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. I said, we're going to the tip top. Do you want to join me or not? So now, because Twin Turbo TRX has shown and proven themselves, we are on to the next level. So thank you for the opportunity. I'm really fired up and excited.